Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with TZ. And see, if you are new, today we're preparing fried fish in coconut juice. So we already seasoned the fish and we go straight into frying the fish. So we're going to fry the fish dry. After frying the fish, we're going to boil some coconut milk, right? So using the authentic Jamaican coconut. And we're going to allow this to come to a boil. And what we're looking for when we're boiling the coconut milk is to get the custard on top, right? That creamy stuff, yes, that's what we're looking for when we boil the coconut milk, because this is what is going to add the flavor, that rich coconut milk flavor to the fried fish. So you allow it to come to a boil and see that custard and that white creamy stuff. Yes, that's what we're looking for. So allow it to come to a boil, and then you're going to transfer the season that you use to prepare the fish. You transfer that season to the boiled coconut milk. Okay guys, so this is going to be a quick and easy one, right? So after we add the season, we're just going to give it a stir, right? So with that season and the coconut milk, that will make a good complement. So this fish should be seasoned right down to the bone. When you finish, you can also suck out the fish yard and the bone, chop everything fine. Okay guys, right. So we're just giving it a stir. You see the scallion, the tomato, the scotch bonnet pepper and so forth. So we allow it to boil for about 2 to 5 minutes, because remember at this time the coconut milk was already boiling to get the custard on the top, that cream thing. Yes, so it doesn't require a lot of boiling. Just need to boil up the season. You just need to get that flavor from the seasoning into the coconut milk, so we can have all of that succulent flavor to add to the fish. Okay guys, point to note, ensure that you had enough coconut milk when you're going to add the fish, because you don't want the coconut milk to be too dried up into the pot. So you add enough so that the fish can be soaked or absorbed that coconut sauce. So ensure that you add enough so that the fish can, depending on the amount of fish that you have, add enough coconut sauce. Alright, and when you add them now, you're just going to use a spoon and sprinkle the sauce on top of the fish, because you don't want to move the fish too much. You don't want to work them too much, because remember at this time they are saturated with coconut sauce. So you want to make the movement minimal. So you use a spoon and sprinkle the coconut sauce. Distribute it all over the fish so we can get that succulent flavor. We can absorb all that juicy stuff, right? Next, we're going to add the okra. You can add the okra before or you can add it after or during. It doesn't matter, based on your preference. We prefer to add the okra when the fish is almost finished, because we don't want it to be too sagged, right? We want it to have a little crunch. We don't want it to be too sagged. But based on your preference, you can add it however you want, before, during, or after, right? And this is the nice fish in coconut sauce. Guys, look at this. It is very mouth-watering. That coconut juice and the scallion, thyme, tomato, and whew, look at that. Nice. Guys, you need to try this recipe. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you like this video. Comment, share, and subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so. Right, so we're just going to allow it to simmer down for about 5 minutes or more, depending on your preference. But we allow this to simmer for about 5 minutes and continue to distribute the coconut sauce onto the fish so it can become saturated with that flavor, with that nice coconut juice. I hope you enjoy this recipe. See you in the next video. Bye.